In this video, we'll be changing the battery in a Volkswagen CC key fob. This process is very easy to do at home and it will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. All you'll need is one CR2032 battery. You can get these online, and if you are interested, you can go check out the first link down there in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find these for a great price. And then the only other thing you will need is a regular flathead screwdriver. First step is to look down on the bottom of the device. You can see right there that button on this metal part. You can hold that down while you pull out the internal key. Once you have this key removed, you will now be able to remove this piece of plastic or piece of metal just by pushing it up and then wiggling it off. Now you can set that to the side as well. Now we're going to grab our flathead screwdriver, and coming over here to where the key was just a second ago, we're going to come in and kind of go over to one side. Just put the screwdriver in there a little bit and start to pry, and one of the sides will click open, and then you can just move it over to the other side and do the same, just gently prying until this thing can be removed easily like that. Now we can keep using the flathead and just come over here to where there's this little hole right next to the battery. You're just going to pry the battery up and out. Once it's sticking out, you can just push it up with your fingernail. You can go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up, and you'll just push it down into place so that it sits flat. And now we can put this back together. So take the back section of plastic and just line it up and squeeze it back on there. Take the piece of metal, and this hole will be lining up with the hole like that. And so you'll just, there we go, push it down and then snap it into place. And then you can put your internal key back in there as well. We'll just click in there. And with that, you are all set. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to leave a like or let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered here on this YouTube channel as well as over at our website, FobBattery.com.